In example 2, we need to answer the following questions about the diagram, then justify our answer. And it seems like for A, B, and C here, we're going to be figuring out if each one of these pairs of angles is a linear pair. So first of all, they have to be two of them, and there's just two of them here. Secondly, to be a linear pair, they need to form a line together, and they need to be adjacent. So we're going to look for those two things. And that'll really be our justification here. So I'll do that verbally with you, and you can write it down if you'd like. Are angle 5 and angle 6 a linear pair? So here's angle 5, and there's angle 6. They are adjacent angles, which is good, but unfortunately if we put them together, they don't form a straight line. The angle they form would be right here. And there's that bend right in that angle, and they don't form a straight line, so they aren't a linear pair. So this would be no, and then if you wanted to justify it, you could say the angles are adjacent but do not form a straight line, so they're not a linear pair. Angle 5 and 9, we'll try to use a different color here for you. So angle 5 is again this same angle right here, and then angle 9 is this angle right here. So now we're only looking at the red pieces. 5 and 9 share a side, so they're adjacent, and then if we went all the way around, then we would wind up right here on this side, and you could see that those two angles would form a straight line together, this line right here. So because they're adjacent and they form a straight line, we would say yes, they are a linear pair. Let's check and see for the next one, 5 and 8. So 5 is again this angle, and then 8 is this angle. So 5 and 8 are formed by two intersecting lines. However, they're not adjacent. 5 has these sides right here and here. 8 has these sides right here and here, and they don't share a side. They're not adjacent. So they aren't a linear pair. These two angles have a special name. They're called vertical angles. But we're not asked to write that down. We're just asked to state whether they're a linear pair or not. So this one would be no.